Hello everyone, this is Ruby Bharti and today's video is all about Smytten. So guys, what is Smytten? Smytten is an app platform, Android and ISO, that gives you trials and purchase of lifestyle brands across multiple categories like beauty and grooming, food, health and wellness, smart technologies and accessories, and many more services and experiences. So guys, I think you should try Smytten free trials because Smytten is currently giving 6 trial samples and product are very premium brands and very good quality. So you need to pay just 199 rupees as a shipping charge and 168 rupees will be immediately added into your Smytten wallet as a cashback. So guys, my product are received here and I will show you one by one. See guys, these all are my choice. The first one, Mama Earth Milky Soft Body Wash for Babies. I used to respect you, thought I was enough. Yeah, feels like half a century ago. Guess you keep coming back after telling me off without even feeling sorry between goodbye and second is also from Mama Earth, rice water shampoo. See guys. Again comes from Mama Earth Upton face wash. And it also comes from Mama Earth onion hair oil. Toy for you to wind up while you lying in bed and feeling lonely. I'm tired of being deployed like all I am to use a pet. You think you own me? I'm nothing but a boyfriend. And next one is comes from Bella Vita Organics Exfoliate Face and Body Scrub. See guys. And next one is comes from Just Herbs, the facial toner. See guys. I think camera didn't capture the MRP price point. So guys, I will mention all the details in the right side. You can read from there guys. And next one is comes from M Caffeine. See guys, coffee face scrub. So finally, this is last but the not least, comes from Smytten bag. I will show you guys, quality is really so good. So shiny, na? So guys, how can you get your free trials? I will mention the link in the description box. So go there and download the Smytten app and register become a member. And second is, once you are a member, you automatically unlock 6 trial points. And third one is, use these trial points for 6 free trials. And fourth one is, make a purchase with you 100% cashback and more trial points. And fifth is, repeat and don't forget to try something new. For the latest update of beauty products, subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So guys, I will see you in the next video.
I used to respect you, thought I was enough. Yeah, feels like half a century ago. Guess you keep coming back after telling me off, without even feeling sorry between goodbye and hello again. Thought we could grow again, how about no again, again and again. I'm trying to tell you we can't be friends, struggling to comprehend that we broke up and ended again and again and again. And I'm getting busier and busier, so disorientated. First you want me, then you're busy, girl, it's not that complicated. Got me tied up in a leash and round and round, I'm going round and round, round. You got me running in a circle. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. What happened to you?
So guys, now it's time to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.